Zach, what you looking at? Matt Catcher? Here's Zach and I on Matt Catcher.
Oh, look, it looks like it's
Some other onlookers. Here we are on Matt Catcher Boulevard. Harpeth River. Here's Jake's soccer fields. Okay. Here we are, riding on Matt Catcher Boulevard in the wrong lane, in the middle of the road. Pretty weird stuff. Pretty weird stuff. Zachary, what are you doing riding in the middle of a road? Huh? You're riding in the middle of a road.
Yeah, I'm riding on the highway.
You like that? What did you just see back there? Huge flood?
Yeah.
That's where we were, looking at the road. We are continuing our bike trip, touring around. Zachary is in one of the neighboring neighborhoods that hasn't been quite developed yet. Exploring, looking for crawdads in the various puddles. Just a boy having some fun.
It's like a whirlpool.
Get your shoes wet? No problem. We're in the Monticello neighborhood, and these poor folks are having a much worse flooding problem than some of the rest of us. That's the Harpeth River behind them. No.
I mean, not like all the way across, but like on the lower part. So it's like, oh, what's the road now?
This is the front of Monticello.
Wait,
This is by Walgreens. This is the underground bike tunnel area. This is Hunters Bend Elementary.
our school. Okay, no wonder school's canceled tomorrow.
Here are the baseball fields. Here's another view of the baseball fields.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Alright, bye. Here's the front of Fieldstone Farms. There's the park where Daniel practices soccer.
It's
This is a video of the main drive of Fieldstone Farms. You can't even go straight. Yeah, where are we, Zach? This looks like a lake. What are you pointing at?
Hunter's Bend.
That's Hunter's Bend?
Yeah.
That's not Hunter's Bend. That looks like a lake. Oh, there's the KinderCare that's in front of Hunter's Bend. This is one of the main roads we still travel all the time in Fieldstone Farms, just outside the elementary school. Our own little news report. I'm taking video now of part of Fieldstone underwater.
Yeah, well.
It's a cottonwood.
Great. You better stop driving around. You're liable to run into the place.
Oh wait, are those cars behind it? Dad, let's go.
That car, all you can see is the car's roof.
Yeah,
That is Fieldstone Parkway on the way back
There's
to.
cars behind us. Let's go.
Okay.
He's trying to tell you.
Here we're on Pembroke Drive.
Dad, let's go back before like another guy yells at us.
Are
Okay.
you filming?
I'm
You're
filming. I'm filming right now. You're on film.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. Well, Luke just called me. He's
Dad, let's go.
outside on his bike. I was.
So here we are trying to go see our old house, and this is what the street looks like. It's got a barricade across it.
Does someone live in our? Yeah. Look at those orange cones.
This is driving conditions.
Get a little bit more to the side. You know, like that car.
Yes,
It's less deep.
I am.